Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Try to move your left arm, Mom. Look at that. Mom's doing
That's as far as I can get it.
That's all right. Well, we're just about... Hold on. There we go. Well, we're just about ready to go out into nature and start videoing nature. We're going down our dirt road first, and then we're going into the bush. We gotta take our dog out, so talk to you on the flip side. Yeah.
Well, today is going to be an epic day. And I'll see yous all when yous all get home.
Right on.
I mean whoever's listening to it. Them too.